bit different environment finally. It's getting warm, we can work with open gate. Today is actually the first day of 3 days in a row when we are gonna work on the Miata, and the plan is to finish the exhaust system today, and then tomorrow and following days start doing the interior and the little bits and bobs. So this episode might be a bit longer, and yeah, excited. Let's go. No, długość jest idealna. Okay, so we have the exhaust system ready. I mean, it's all in place. It just needs to be taken down and weld around every connection here. But this we're gonna do later. Now we're gonna put the car down and we'll start working on the cooling system as well as the intake. The weather is beautiful. Piwko is beautiful. So we have the barbecue ready, but we don't really have a lighter, so we got to improvise. The tissue. Quick. Dawaj, szybko, no dawaj go tu. This is proper survival shit, man. So Bozo's taking care of the barbecue. We mounted the oil cooler here, and now Darek is working on another big thing in the whole build. Okay. Thank you, sir. There you go.
Oh, good job, my man.
Hi, here is some little guy from NIGHTRIDE. Tonight I will show you a little work we are doing with a little Miata. Normalnie, nie? Normalnie, jutro YouTube'a zakładam, nie?
Żeby zacząć robić YouTube. Okay, so we have a new day. Yesterday we finished with cooling system ready, and now we're gonna do the intake, which is already shaped. It just needs to be welded. Then the next thing is the drive. So this is MIATA drive, and this is gonna be cut in the middle, and it's gonna be connected to the BMW drive, which is gonna be connected to the gearbox. And then we're gonna go inside the car, and we're gonna start working on the inside with the dash, with the fuel lines going to the fuel pump, with the harness, and with mounting the shifter as well as e-brake. And then we're gonna go into dash and everything step by step, slowly going into putting the car all together. That's the plan. Let's go. So we have our drive shaft ready. So this is the bit from the BMW, and it's welded here with the bit from the Miata. And now we're gonna get to inside the car and start working that. So first things to do here is to make a mount for the shifter and for e-brake. And to do that, we're gonna cut it using our beautiful plasma cutter. So this is our bracket, and this one will be attached to the body of the car, to the tunnel. And then there's gonna be e-brake here and a shifter here. And also we are having a bit of an issue. Well, it's not really an issue, it's more like a situation. In order to mount the engine as far to the back as possible, we had to remove a stock clutch cylinder, clutch master cylinder, which was kind of here. So now we have a situation when we have to mount the new clutch cylinder kind of next to the clutch pedal right there. We removed the pedal, that's the clutch pedal here, and Derek's gonna mount a bracket here with a little like a container for fluid and a master cylinder for the clutch. Job done. I'm leaving Darek with the clutch now, and I'm super happy with the progress we made over those 3 days. I think next episode we're gonna try to drive the car on the road. Day after day, car is starting to look more complete, which makes us really excited to work on it. And I think really getting close to the end of the whole thing. And then I want to drive the car, do some testing, go to the like a drift spot or a track, and then try the car before the first event. First drift event we want to go is first weekend of May, so before that I want to go and test the car. Hopefully everything's gonna be fine. The time will tell.